Hey everyone, it's your boy Rick. Are you ready to completely transform your body and get that ultimate revenge body? I know what it's like to feel stuck, to look in the mirror and not recognize the person looking back at you. But today, we're diving into 10 game-changing weight loss hacks that you probably haven't tried yet. This is your comeback story and it starts today. Hack number 1. Eat more protein. Protein is like the VIP of nutrients for your revenge body. It builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and keeps you full longer. Make protein the star of every plate. Hack number 2. Cut out sugary drinks. These are liquid candy sabotaging your weight loss journey. Replace them with water, unsweetened tea, and black coffee. This simple swap has a massive payoff. Hack number 3. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep rebalances your hunger hormones. Poor sleep makes you hungrier and crave junk food. Prioritize this. It's strategic, not lazy. Hack number 4. Find exercise you enjoy and be consistent. Cardio melts fat. Strength training builds muscle. More muscle equals more calories burned at rest. Your metabolism will be on fire 24/7. Hack number 5. Drink more water. Aim for half your body weight in ounces daily. Drink a big glass 30 minutes before meals to feel fuller and naturally eat less. Simple but powerful. Now let's get advanced. Hack number 6. Intermittent fasting. The 16-8 method means fasting 16 hours, eating in an 8-hour window. Most of that fast happens while you sleep. It turns your body into a fat-burning machine. Hack number 7. Use smaller plates. This psychological trick makes portions look bigger and more satisfying. Your brain sees a full plate and feels satisfied with less food. Portion control made simple. Hack number 8. Add spicy foods. Capsaicin in peppers boosts metabolism and helps you eat slower and less. Start small and build up your tolerance. It's flavor without calories, fat, or sugar. Hack number 9. Practice mindful eating. Eliminate distractions and chew slowly, really slowly. It takes 20 minutes for your brain to register fullness. Slow down and you'll need less to feel satisfied. Final hack. Take cold showers. Cold exposure activates brown fat that burns calories to generate heat. Start with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower. It's challenging but invigorating. There you have it. 10 powerful hacks for your ultimate revenge body. Remember, this journey is about building strength, confidence, and resilience. If you're ready to transform your life, smash that like button and subscribe for more real talk, no BS advice. We're in this together. Now go out there and get it.